I'm about to share with you one of the easiest side hustles ever. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, in my opinion, right, without a doubt, affiliate marketing and network marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. I don't care what nobody says. All right, now why do I say this? Because with affiliate marketing and network marketing, it allows you pretty much to be your own boss, work whenever you want, and you have an unlimited earning potential. Now, there is one opportunity out there that a lot of people are sleeping on. All right, they sleeping on it. I don't know if they haven't seen it yet, and maybe they seen it and just didn't get what it was. But if you're trying to make some extra money, this is where you need to look. And the opportunity that I'm talking about is Nexus Rewards. All right, now Nexus Rewards is a cash back and savings membership site that allows people just like us, just like me, you, right, the opportunity to build a recurring monthly income while saving money every time we shop on or offline. Now, how damn dope is that? Now, here's the thing. I noticed with a lot of videos online, looking at a lot of comments and everything, people have a tendency to overcomplicate shit, and it's unnecessary, right? Like, this is very, very straightforward. This is how this opportunity works. All right, so the first thing you need to do to get started is click on that first link in the description, and you're going to be taken to this page right here. All right, you can watch the little presentation video, and it basically explains everything you need to know about Nexus Rewards. So after that, you're probably gonna be all excited. You're probably gonna be all hyped, like, hell yeah, like I'm feeling this. All right, so at this point, you're gonna have the opportunity to become a free member or a premium member. Now, if you decide to become a free member of Nexus Rewards, this will give you access to 3 free apps in the back office of Nexus Rewards. Now, you might be thinking, well, wait a minute, right? I seen these apps before. Can't I just sign up for them on my own and blah, blah, blah? Yes, you can. But when it comes to Nexus Rewards, even as a free member, it allows you to basically set up referral links for the free apps, right? The free apps, and it'll allow you to have all of your apps in one place where you can actually go out and start earning money, right, from these free apps as a free member of Nexus Rewards. But most likely, you watching this video, you want to make a lot more money than that, all right? And that is when you need to become a premium member, all right? As a premium member, you're going to get access to a lot more exclusive cashback and savings apps. You're also going to get access to a bill reduction program, a prescription reduction program, and a whole bunch of other stuff that you'll find out in the back office. Now, when you are a premium member, you're going to be able to earn money in several different ways, all right? And honestly, like, it has that network marketing aspect where you can, earn money from the matrix and all this stuff and get paid from other referrals and all that. And that's fine. That's dope as hell. But honestly, I like the straight up affiliate side of Nexus Rewards. So for every personal referral that you bring into Nexus Rewards who becomes a premium member, you're going to get $10. All right, so you bring in 50 people, you're getting $500 a month, right? You bring in 100 people, that's $1,000 a month you're going to be getting, and that's every single month. All right, but being all the way real, if you do get 10 people, 50 people, 100 people, you're probably going to make a lot more money than just the $10 a month from those people, because you will get paid from each personal referral's efforts. So once you start recruiting people and start building up your team, you're going to put yourself in a position to start earning 100% matching bonuses. All right, so that means that, say for example, you got somebody on your team who's making an extra $200 from Nexus, you're going to get $200. If somebody else making $2 a month, you're going to be getting $2. If somebody getting $1,000 a month, you're going to match that with $1,000. Now tell me that ain't dope. You really just got to ask yourself, how many people can I bring to Nexus Rewards? So let's be real. By this point, you've already decided if you feeling Nexus Rewards or not. All right. And if you are feeling it, this is all you need to do. So once you create your account, either as a free or a premium member, what you want to do is log into your back office. And once you log into your back office, you are going to see a screen that looks just like this. Now, look on your left-hand side. You're going to see where it says getting started. And this is where you need to click. Click right there. You're going to be taken to a screen that's going to ask you, are you a free or a premium member? Once you click on that button, free or premium, and you're going to see a video. All right. Watch that video. All right. That is the first step. Watch that video because it's going to show you exactly what you need to do to get started with Nexus Rewards, start using the apps, and more importantly, start building that monthly recurring income. I took a quick screenshot of my back office. As you can see, I earned $236 from Nexus Rewards, and I'm just letting that money build up and build up. I'm excited about this opportunity because you will realize that not only can you save and get money every time you shop on or offline, but you can actually make money by referring this to other people. And this is why this is one of the easiest side hustles ever.